Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send Bitcoin on Cash App for the first time. Alright, let's begin. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in. Tap the money icon at the bottom left of the screen. Here, tap Buy Bitcoin to check your Bitcoin balance. If it shows 0, you'll need to purchase Bitcoin before you can send it. Tap Buy, enter the amount, and confirm the purchase. Once your Bitcoin is added, the option to send Bitcoin will appear. Tap Send Bitcoin and choose the amount. You can enter the value in dollars or switch to BTC to enter the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to send. After entering the amount, tap Send. Now enter the recipient's details. You can use their cash tag, name, or a Bitcoin wallet address. Once you've entered the information, tap Next. Choose your sending speed. Cash App offers 3 options: Rush, which delivers in about 2 hours with a fee; Priority, which is faster with a higher fee; and Standard, which takes up to 24 hours and is free. Review all the transaction details: amount, recipient, and delivery speed. Once everything looks good, tap Done to confirm and send your Bitcoin. So that's basically how you can send Bitcoin on Cash App for the first time. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.